Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my students. Good morning. How are you today?
Hello, Miss. Good morning. I'm fine. You, Miss?
Yeah, I'm really fine today. It's good to hear that all of you are fine, and I hear that you seems happy today.
Before our lesson according to our belief and religion, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Now we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Do you know what is it?
Application letter.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Before we discuss an application letter, I would like to ask you the first question is what is your plan after graduating from SMK Citra Medika Sragen? Do you want to go to the university or getting a job?
Going university, Miss.
I want to get the job.
From your answer, I can summarize that some of you will continue to the university and most of you will get a job. And my question is, what should you do before getting a job?
Make application letter.
Make application letter.
We have learning objective. The learning objective today are the student can identify and analyze the social function, generic structure, and language feature of application letter. Then, the student are able to arrange concept map in the form of spider diagram and compose of application letter. Uh, I have an example of application letter. Please start read from the first paragraph.
Paragraph 1. I would like to apply for the temporary post of assistant engineer, which was advertised in the evening news of Saturday, 9 May.
I will make correction of your reading when you say evening news. Yeah, it is not evening news, but it is the correct reading is in the evening news on Saturday, 9 May. Thank you for reading one by one from paragraph 1 up to the last. Is there any question about the text?
I miss, what is the meaning of temporary post, miss?
Is there anyone who knows the meaning of temporary post in bahasa Indonesia? The temporary post mean unggahan sementara. Yeah, in writing the application letter, we must know the element of application letter. Let's start to identify one by one. What is the paragraph one about?
Goals.
Goals. Okay, the goals of application. In the first paragraph, you must pay attention to the element of or the component of paragraph one. It is about the goal or the reason why the sender write a letter. This is that one, and then the job position. Then after that, evening news. Evening news is the source of job vacancy. Based on this analyzing the element of application letter, we can summarize that
1. Address and date of the sender. 2. Address. 3. Salutation. 4. Goals. 5. Educational background. 6. Experience. 7. Hope. 8. Complementary clause. And 9. Sender.
yeah, very good, but you must pay attention to the element of the application letter when you write an application letter. Then next, it's about writing or arranging spider diagram. You have identified part of the application letter, and in here you can write the part of application letter here. It is to help you in generating your idea. Okay, start from paragraph 1. In paragraph what? State about?
Reason.
Okay, good. The important element of the reason, the first is about?
Goal of reading application.
Okay, next. What we can write in educational background?
Informal and formal, Miss.
That's good. In the third paragraph, and in here we can say,
Experience means
Yes,
okay,
Miss.
good. All of you have understood to compose or to arrange the spider diagram. Now it's time for you to go on task. Look at your lembar kerja peserta didik or LKPD on activity 1 and there is a job vacancy here. Yeah, based on the job vacancy, you must arrange the spider diagram. Then after you write the spider diagram, you must write a draft. Yeah, write a draft of application letter. Then after that, uh, you revise it based on the feedback from me and from your friend. Is there any question about your task?
No, Miss.
Before you do the task, we need to create schedule to complete your task because the task is complicated. You must do it step by step. When you want to upload your file in WhatsApp group,
Miss, I think upload we can upload our tags after school, Miss.
okay, okay there, okay. I appreciate to you that the time to upload the task is after school, so at 2 yeah. Okay,
Yes, Miss.
at 2. Okay, right. So I will. This is the schedule. You must pay attention to this, and I will monitor you in WhatsApp group. The student, have you done writing the spider diagram and application letter?
Yes, Miss.
Who want to present the work first?
I miss
Okay, please.
the diagram of application letter. Paragraph 1. Reason. Goal of reading application. Job position. Source of job. And
Okay. Then your application letter, Mbak.
the paragraph 1. I would like to apply this application letter to join as career guidance teacher at a craft model school that Mr. or Mrs. lead. Based on information from the flyer I got, I think my skills and educational background can meet the need of your school.
Okay, that's good. I should give the feedback of you. Yeah, your spider diagram and your application letter is synchronous and good in writing, but you need to make correction again. There are some wrong tenses that you write. For example, in paragraph 3, when I'm graduate, nah, it should be when I graduated. Yeah, I think all of you have done your presentation and you are a very great students. You can do all the tasks well. Today we have learned the element of job application letter, spider diagram, and writing application letter. And after this, you must revise your work based on the feedback. After that, you must upload your work in Genius platform. Because the time is up, please lead your friends to pray together.
Okay, my teacher and my friend, before we go, according to our belief and religion, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, thank you very much for your participation and your attentions today. Stay healthy and keep the health protocol. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss.